Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Dadel Pompano fishing rigs. If you're a surf fishing enthusiast, the Dadel 6-piece Pompano fishing rigs ready kit is a must-have for your tackle box. These pre-tied rigs are designed for both saltwater and freshwater fishing, providing a hassle-free, high-quality solution for catching species like pompano, whiting, and other surf-dwelling fish. Each rig is equipped with 3 sharp, durable circle hooks that ensure a solid catch and a safer, fish-friendly release. The 3-0 size is versatile and works well for medium-sized fish species. The included floats keep the bait off the bottom, making it more visible and enticing to fish while avoiding unwanted snags. This is especially effective for targeting pompano in surf conditions. The rigs are built with a 50-pound test line, providing excellent durability and resistance against abrasion from sharp teeth, rocks, or debris in the water. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater environments, this kit adapts well to different fishing conditions. The 50-inch length of each rig is pre-tied and ready to use, saving you time and effort. Simply attach it to your main line, bait the hooks, and start fishing. In practice, these rigs perform exceptionally well. The combination of floats, sturdy line, and sharp hooks maximizes your chances of landing a good catch. The rigs are durable and handle the stress of casting and pulling in fish without tangling or breaking. Highly recommended for surf fishers who want reliable. Our second best surf fishing rigs is Ghoul surf fishing rigs. The sharp and sturdy circle hooks are perfect for increasing catch rates and ensuring fish are hooked securely with minimal harm. Designed to target a variety of species such as grouper, redfish, flounder, drum, catfish, and halibut, this rig works well in both saltwater and freshwater environments. The inclusion of egg sinkers makes this rig ideal for bottom fishing. These sinkers allow your bait to stay in the strike zone while giving fish the ability to take the bait without feeling excessive resistance. Each rig is built with high-quality materials, including strong leader lines, reliable swivels, and sharp circle hooks that ensure secure hook sets. The rig comes fully assembled, saving time on setup and ensuring proper rigging. It's an excellent choice for anglers who prefer to focus on fishing rather than assembling gear. The rig performs exceptionally well for bottom-feeding species. The weight system keeps the bait steady in the feeding zone, even in mild currents. The circle hooks are effective, providing consistent hook sets while minimizing gut hooking. The Ghoul fishing rig's Carolina rig is a reliable and efficient choice for anglers targeting bottom-dwelling species. Its pre-tied design, durable components, and effective bait presentation make it a practical addition to any tackle box. Perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers looking for a no-fuss, high-performance rig for surf fishing or bottom fishing. Pre-tied and ready to use, this rig offers excellent utility for both novice and seasoned anglers. Third pick in our list is Xfishman surf fishing rigs. The Xfishman Pompano rigs for surf fishing are an excellent choice for anglers looking to target pompano and other saltwater species. This 6-pack of pre-tied rigs combines convenience with performance, making it a reliable addition to your surf fishing gear. Equipped with colorful floats, these rigs add visual appeal to your bait, increasing the chances of drawing attention from fish. The floats also help keep the bait off the bottom, reducing interference from crabs and other bottom-dwelling nuisances. While designed primarily for pompano, these rigs are also effective for catching whiting, croaker, and other surf species. Each rig features double hooks, a combination of circle and wide gap hooks, ensuring a higher chance of catching fish, especially in areas with dense pompano populations. These pre-assembled rigs eliminate the hassle of tying your own, allowing you to focus on fishing. Just attach your weight and bait, and you're ready to cast. The rigs are tied with durable monofilament leaders and corrosion-resistant hooks, making them suitable for long-term use in harsh saltwater conditions. The Xfishman Pompano rigs perform admirably in surf conditions, maintaining stability in the waves and presenting bait effectively. The colorful floats and sharp hooks ensure good bite protection and secure hook sets,
even with fast-moving fish like pompano, with their durable design, attractive float system, and pre-tied.
Number 4 in our side is Xfishman Pompano Rig for surf fishing. The Xfishman Pompano rigs excel in surf fishing scenarios, offering excellent stability in waves while presenting bait effectively. The combination of high visibility floats and sharp hooks makes these rigs a reliable choice for landing multiple fish on each outing. Choose between 6 or 12 rigs, making this a cost-effective option for frequent surf anglers. Designed primarily for pompano, these rigs also perform well with whiting, croaker, and other similar species. High-quality swivels ensure tangle-free rigging and smooth action, making these rigs hassle-free to use. Vibrant floats make your bait more visible in murky waters, increasing your chances of attracting fish. They also help keep the bait off the ocean floor, reducing crab and debris interference. The hooks are corrosion-resistant and perfectly sized for pompano, whiting, and other small to medium saltwater species. Each rig is built with a strong 50-pound monofilament line, ensuring durability against sharp fish teeth, strong currents, and abrasive surf conditions. The Xfishman Pompano rig for surf fishing is an excellent choice for surf anglers who value efficiency and effectiveness. Its durable construction, vibrant floats, and reliable hooks ensure consistent results on the beach. The choice of 6 or 12 rigs makes it a great value for both casual and avid fishermen. Highly recommended for anyone looking to enhance their pompano fishing game without breaking the bank. Spend less time untangling and more time reeling in your next big. Number 5 in our top 5 best surf fishing rigs list is Dobson 12 PCS/10 PCS Pompano rigs for surf fishing. If you're looking for reliable, easy-to-use, and high-performing pompano rigs, the Dobson rigs are a fantastic choice. The Dobson Pompano rigs for surf fishing offer an excellent combination of durability, efficiency, and performance. Their T-knot design, high-quality components, and vibrant floats make them a standout choice for targeting pompano and similar fish in saltwater environments. Available in convenient packs, they're a cost-effective option for surf anglers. The Dobson Pompano rigs perform exceptionally well in surf conditions. The unique T-knot design provides stability and helps maintain a natural bait movement, while the bright floats and sharp hooks ensure a higher hookup rate. The rigs are user-friendly, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced anglers. Specifically designed for surf fishing, these rigs are built to handle the harsh conditions of saltwater environments. Choose between 10 or 12 rigs, giving you flexibility based on your fishing frequency and needs. Brightly colored floats keep your bait visible even in murky water, increasing your chances of attracting fish. These floats also help keep the bait slightly off the bottom, avoiding crabs and debris. Equipped with sharp and corrosion-resistant wide-gap hooks, these rigs are excellent.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.